What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another trading video, and in this video today I'm actually going to recap uh, some of the trades that have been taken by a junior trader at our desk. So I'm going to recap all of his trade, plus I'm going to recap all of the trades that I have taken today. But first of all, I'm going to show you a trade setup. If you can master that, that can really help you grow your trading account. Okay, so the pattern that I'm going to discuss here is actually the multiple tests of an area. So in this case, this is a euro dollar chart here. So market actually rallied quite nicely just before the London Open today. But there was a divergence going on at this area here if you just take a look at the bigger picture. So market dropped actually and it started holding this area here, and actually it became quite interesting when the Moderna vaccine news came out in the markets, and there was huge spikes mostly in the gold. And I was looking at the YM Dow Jones Industrial Futures plus even S&P 500 contracts as well. So there were big spikes coming in. So the euro was trading right around this area here, and there was a daily pivot point around this area at 1823. So this pattern is that you are observing when market is actually holding this area. So you can see this is the first test, this is the second test, and this is the third test. So if market is unable to break this area, then it ultimately goes down and visits the daily pivot or whatever level is just down below here. So this is a very high probable trade setup, and I've seen it appearing multiple times on euro dollar and pound dollar. So just memorize this pattern. This is really gonna help you a lot. My sincere apology for the background noises. And so these are the couple of trades that I have taken today, and as you can see I have started trading pound dollar as well, but mostly I'm trading euro dollar. But as you know, as we are heading into the year end and markets are getting slower, but pound is slightly better than this euro market because my trading style, as you guys know, is trading the price action patterns. And because I see the similar type of price patterns appearing on, if you can trade one market, then for sure you can trade other markets too. But it's actually all about the focus. If you can maintain the focus on three or four or maybe the five markets, because it all comes to the individual capacity. Maybe your mental capacity is higher than some other trader. So but recently I have just added the pound dollar as well. I've been actually very lucky today because this is the only day when an execution error have actually made me a lot of money. As you can see, my contract size here is 3 lots, 2 lots, and one contract, 2.5 contract. So right now these days I'm just trading up to 5 units. But today, by mistake, I wanted to enter a 3 contracts unit, and I entered 30 contracts, which was immediately filled. And but luckily the market was dropping, as I've shown you here on this chart here. As you can see, because I was trading the range and I was quite lucky, the market went actually in my favor, and I roughly banked around $2,500 within just 2 to 3 minutes. So because managing this size of position, I know it's a very pressure. So I don't have a half a million account, so I can open such position. But I am at an execution error in the past, probably 3 to 4 months back, and that have cost me a lot of money, and I am almost close to cover that money too. But anyway, I won't say that I should be excited at this. This was an execution error. As you can see, my normal profits on the trades were up to $500, but this was an exceptional, and so I'm not counting that, and I'm not much happier about this because I am, you can say, much careful when I'm putting my orders. So execution mistakes are normal, and making mistakes is normal until unless they are not fatal. So anyway, now I'm going to show you the trade statement for the junior trader here. So yeah, roughly banked around $68, and as you can see, he is trading the same markets that I've been trading, this euro dollar and this pound dollar, but his frequency is higher than mine. But still he is trading undersized and keeping the risk in control. As you can see, his losing trades are I think 2 or 3 loses maybe today. Yeah, it's a $8 is the maximum loss that he has because he is allowed to risk up to 2% of his total account. This is my community in Telegram. If you guys wanted to join it, you can go to the description box below and check out the link given there, both for my TradingView profile and my Telegram community. So this is the community where I'm actively engaged, and as you can see, I share my trade ideas, and if I'm seeing anything important or any important level, then I usually share it here too. So if you guys have any question regarding the trade pattern, just go to the comment section, ask me any question, I'll get back to you. That's all for this video now. Take care. Bye bye.